Calm down, calm down, calm the f down. Okay, good morning all and welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing the Keychron K2, my very first mechanical keyboard, and I am so excited. I waited an entire night so that I can get the daylight to film this. We're gonna open it now. Wow. I've been eyeing on this keyboard since forever. Okay. So this is actually one of the few that has the Mac keyboard layout, which I really do appreciate because I'm a Mac user. It's like I feel happy whenever an accessory is built for the Mac. Okay, let's open this. Tactile mechanical keyboard for peak productivity. If you're a Windows user, please find the appropriate keycaps in the box, then follow instructions below to find and replace the following keycaps. So it's really made for Mac users out of the box. I love this. Okay. Whew. I like this nice little finish to protect the keys. You know, the keys are very important, and I learned that keys can be super duper expensive. I mean, I just saw a video about a 3,500 mechanical keyboard. Who freaking knew that mechanical keyboards could be so expensive? But that's like the custom made one. So okay, let's open this. Oh, I'm so scared. Okay. Wow. Okay. I just love how it looks like. You sit here, it's pretty heavy. Okay, we have this little thing here. Instruction manual, I guess. Yep, we can put your aside. Don't forget, these are the wires that you need to have. Okay, and this, if I'm not wrong, is the thing to remove the keycaps. Although I have no idea how to do it, but you're supposed to, yep, and pull it out. Yeah, okay, and this is the USB to USB-C cable. And oh my gosh, the wires the wire is braided. Braided wires last longer, according to experience. Oh, and these are the extra keycaps that we have. Alt key and the Windows key. This is the Keychron K2 brown switch, RGB lighted backlit keyboard, aluminum casing, and it's very nice. And for all of you mechanical keyboard geeks out there, this is the ABS keycap. This is the default. The PBT keycaps are actually bigger than the ABS ones. I tried them in the store and it was awesome. It felt awesome. Are you ready to hear how the clicky, satisfying typing sound like? Are my hands clean? This is how it sounds like. It's so freaking satisfying to type on this. I love this. Okay, how do you turn this on? It's now I change it to Bluetooth. Oh my gosh, it's lit. The moment I turn it to Bluetooth, it is lit AF. So freaking excited. How do you connect it? It should appear, right? Am I supposed to read the manual? You have to press function and 1 for 4 seconds to pair. Okay, function and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Appear. Yes, it appears. Okay, it's connected. Okay, stop being annoying. There are 15 different kinds of RGB pattern layout when you click on this button. Oh my gosh, look at all the light switching. All the different patterns. They're all shining and at different timing and everything. And one's when you click on a key and all the light just spreads out. It's really cool. Oh my gosh, I love this keyboard. And I just feel like when I type on this, I feel like I'm typing with a purpose. But one of the reasons why I held back from getting a mechanical keyboard, I mean, this is not new. It's been around for ages. But I held back because of this. This is of a much higher profile than keyboards like the Apple Magic Keyboard, which is very flat. I was just afraid that my wrist would be at stake. I don't want to actually risk getting a wrist injury. After doing a lot of research, I learned about how your hands are supposed to have a neutral position when you're typing. I also was thinking how I might not be used to having my hands float above. So this is what I get to fix the problem. A wrist rest. We're gonna unbox this right now. Oh my god, it's not really clean, man. Why is it so sandy?
20 minutes later.
The HyperX Wrist Rest HXWR. This is supposed to be better and more stable than a lot of the competitor brands like Razer, Cooler Master. Wait, it writes Kingston at the back? Wait, does this mean HyperX is owned by Kingston? I had no idea. And one thing I really like about this is like the red finish at the ends. And there's like a HyperX so subtly carved there. So you're supposed to be typing like that. Oh my gosh, I feel happier like typing like that. The bottom is supposed to have like a lot of friction so that it's more stable. It doesn't move that much when you're typing. So like it's not moving so much when I'm typing. I mean, it's moving, okay, it's moving a little. Why did people online say it doesn't move? It moves. Maybe it moves less than the competitors. We're gonna have some type tests going on, so stay on if you guys wanna hear that. Keyboard typing test starts now. Okay, and that is the Keychron K2 mechanical keyboard, the type test and how it sounds like and everything. One thing I really love about this keyboard is how minimalistic it feels and looks. The keycaps default, they are gray and light gray, and with this orange little highlight, this is what makes Keychron Keychron. This thing is all Bluetooth wireless. If you're gaming and you need that low latency, zero latency, you can connect it via wire, and it's USB-C, so like that's the best of all worlds. And it has a whole Mac keyboard layout. I think this is a screenshot button, and this is to actually change the RGB lighting pattern. I feel definitely much more comfortable with my wrist to rest on this and typing instead of like floating like that. I think I definitely need to get used to this keyboard. Whenever I do command space or trying to use a command button, it's like more to the left, and that's something I'm not used to, but I mean, my friend got used to it, so I definitely can. Yeah, that's not a worry there. And one thing I forgot to mention about this keyboard is that you can pair it with 3 different devices. So when I get my custom PC, I can pair it with that. Yeah, it's Windows and Mac compatible. That's how great it is. And it is so easy to change between devices. I think you just have to press 2 buttons, if I'm not wrong. Function 1, function 2, function 3. For instance, this Apple keyboard, I can't actually pair with 3 devices, so each time I want to change between devices, I have to unpair and pair again, which actually takes time, and if you're switching between devices a lot, this isn't very convenient. This makes it very convenient. For its price, $111, I think this is super duper worth it. I think I might have a new hobby right now. Mechanical keyboards, and I actually really love it, and I've been researching into a lot of mechanical keyboards and keycaps, and I've been following keyboard YouTubers, and I'm just freaking, I haven't felt so excited in a very long time, so I'm just it's like such a niche market, but it's so exciting, and I love seeing all the different designs. Let me know if you guys are designers and if you are keen to design this for me. Stay tuned for a more in-depth review of this keyboard because there's a lot to talk about. For now, I'm gonna have lunch. I really like typing on this. But okay, stay mint and cheery. Goodbye. I absolutely love how these feels and type.